Good morning. As we reach the halfway point of 2022, now feels like a good time for me to check in to keep you, our clients, up to speed with all things Moneyfarm. The first 6 months of the year have been tough. The S&P 500 had the worst H1 performance since 1970, and an outlier after what has been a decade of relatively consistent growth despite some rocky patches. In 2022, a few strands of history in economics have come to a head. War in Ukraine, rising inflation, issues with global supply and trade. Some of these factors have been shocks, while others have been brewing in the background for some time. Should we be particularly concerned as investors? Not in the long term. Markets are fundamentally cyclical, and periods of volatility are just as much a part of investing as prolonged periods of growth. Markets always overshoot, and have already corrected significantly, discounting a lot of future bad news already. It's worth remembering that despite everything, we are still in a situation of record employment, positive economic growth for now. As an example, analysts are still predicting 5.5% revenue growth in 2022 on the main European index. That said, seeing volatility in your portfolio is never pleasant, and the economic situation might be rocky for some time. In the first quarter, we reduced the risk in the portfolio, and it's a move that appears to have been paid off. We have been able to at least partially mitigate the negative impact on the markets. We could have done more, of course, but it's always the case with the benefit of hindsight. We should always remember that when you make a change to the portfolios, you have to be right twice, when you sell and when you buy it back. History tells us that this is very difficult. So not making a decision sometimes is the best decision, particularly in a very uncertain market environment. Another important part is to help you take an objective perspective on situations like this, not acting on impulse that never pays off when investing. Selling in difficult periods risks crystallizing losses and ensuring that you miss out on the recovery when it does arrive. It's a situation that we've seen many times before. The situation will improve, and there is plenty of room for growth when it does. For now, we'll continue to work not just on managing your portfolio with our investment philosophy based on macroeconomic themes, diversification, and focus on the long term, but also to improve our service. After adding our social responsible portfolios and Junior ISA, we're going to increase our range of investment to give you the opportunity to participate in key thematics trends in the economy. We're also welcome on board our new clients from Wealthsimple, following our acquisition towards the end of 2021. We hope that all of you are satisfied with the service despite the difficult situation, and we look forward to getting to know you as you spend more time with us as things improve.